Hi, first graders. So today we're going to review again main idea. What was main idea, guys? Can you remember what we talked about last week on our lesson? Yes, so main idea is what the text is mostly about. You're right. Now we also talk about clues to help you find the main idea. So every time you're trying to find the main idea on a book, you can look at the title and pictures, like right here. Sometimes the main idea is in the first and last sentence, like right here. Or you can also look for clue words repeated over and over. So while you're reading, you have to pay close attention to what you're reading because you might find repeated words and that might be your main idea. Okay? One last thing that we talk about were details. So in this slide over here, we talked that the main idea was a visit to the park. How do we know that it was a visit to the park? Well, because if we take a closer look at the pictures, we can see that on the first one, we see like a pond or a lake, a bench, trash can, and a lot of trees. So usually when we go to the park, these are things that we can see there, right? On the second picture, we can see kids playing around. One is on the scooter, the other one is just saying hi. So sometimes you go to the park just to play with friends or even with your parents and play with your bike or scooter. So that's detail 2. Detail 3, when we go to the park, we also see swings, slides, maybe sandbox, seesaw, and many other things that we can play with, right? So that third picture will be your third detail. So, details explain more about the main idea. It tells us why the main idea is a visit to the park in this case. So, now that we refresh our memories with what main idea is and details, it's game time. Let's play this spider game, and you'll see why do I call it spider game. Spiders have a big head, right? And some spider legs. So just like this over here, this will be our big spider head, the main idea, and this will be our spider legs. Now let's take a look at what these task cards are telling us. I'm going to read them for you, okay? So please close attention. We're going to start with this one. It says, tarantulas eat small animals and birds. Remember, we're trying to find the main idea. Water spiders eat fish. Things spiders eat. Wolf spiders eat fish. Now, can you guys think about what the main idea is? I'm going to give you a few minutes. Tarantula eats small animals and birds. Water spiders eat fish. Things that spiders eat. Wood spiders eat fish. So what are these task cards talking to us about? What the spiders eat. So correct is this one. Things that spiders eat. That's our main idea because all of the other task cards are talking to us about what different spiders eat. It says tarantulas eat animals and birds. It says water spiders eat fish. And wolf spiders eat fish too. So those are our 3 details. Again, our main idea is things that spiders eat. And our 3 details are different things that different spiders eat. Now let's practice one more time, but with a small passage. Main idea, read the story and answer the questions. So we're going to read this story for the first time just to enjoy the story. And I'm going to read it for you. It says, Cody is a great soccer player. He practices every day after school. Cody plays for his school soccer team. So far this year, he has scored 6 goals. Cody can kick the ball very far. He can also run very fast. Everyone thinks that Cody is the best soccer player they know. What a great story, right? So, Let's read the question now. It says, write the main idea of the story. So we're going to reread the story and we're going to pay attention to details so we can try to find the main idea. Remember one of our clues to find the main idea was that it might be in the first or last sentence. So I'm going to reread and you are going to try to find the main idea. It says, Cody is a great soccer player. He practices every day after school. Cody plays for his school soccer team. So far this year, he has scored 6 goals. Cody can kick the ball very far. He can also run very fast. Everyone thinks that Cody is the best soccer player they know. Can you think of what is the main idea in this story? So correct, in this story, Cody is a great soccer player. So let's type it here. The main idea is Cody is a great soccer player. And it's right here on the first sentence of the story. And how do we know that this is the main idea? Because the story is talking to us about how good Cody is in soccer. Now, the second question says, color one detail that support the main idea. So remember, details give us a little bit more information about what the story is mostly about. So let's read our 3 options. It says, he wears glasses, Cody goes to school, he can kick the ball very far. Which one you think is a detail that support our main idea? Cody is a great soccer player. He wears glasses? Is that talking to us about how good or how great Cody is in soccer? Is that soccer? Cody goes to school. I don't think so. He can kick the ball very far. Is that a detail that is talking to us about how great soccer player Cody is? Yes, it is. So the third one is our detail that support this main idea. He can kick the ball very far. Good job, guys. Well, now I think that you guys are ready to practice on your own. So you can tell your mommy and daddy that they can read this story or help you read this story for you. And help you find the main idea and one detail that support the main idea. So guys, have fun. Thank you for listening.